I've just hit record. So again, there are some shortcuts that you can use for this. We could use the same shortcut as last time, but what I'm suggesting is that there's an even faster one. All right. The first thing I'm going to talk about though is a couple of non-examples. This one is a really classic mistake that even my year 12s still make, no matter how many times I tell them don't fall for this mistake. X plus 2 squared is equal to x squared plus 4. All they do is square each part individually. This is 100% wrong and will be wrong every single time. Don't do it. All right? I could do x plus 2 times x plus 2, so write it the long way, and then use the first shortcut that we talked about. X times x is x squared, and then add them, I didn't put the squared, is 4x, and then times them, plus 4. But there's an even shorter way of doing it. So rather than even expanding, I know that this question is x squared plus 4x plus 4. The second one will be x squared plus 6x plus 9. The third one will be x squared plus 12x plus 36. These are what you should have got. I'm not trying to show off. I'm trying to get you to sort of see the amount of time that I would love this to take you. This is like how efficient I would love you to be. The next one is x squared minus 8x plus 16. Up until this point, does anyone want to tell me what the shortcut is? All right, Chaz this time, go. What do you reckon?
I reckon you square the x.
So I square the first one, good.
And then you square the 2.
And then I square the 2, so I square the x, gives me x squared.
Yeah.
I square the 2, that gives me 4.
And then you times that number by 2 and then put the x behind it.
Right, I times that by 2 and then put the x behind it. I times that by 2 and put the x behind it. I times that by 2 and I stick the x there with it. I times that by 2 and I stick an x there with it. All right, good. We're going to put there's nothing wrong with what you said. Completely fine, great shortcut, but it gets a little bit messy on this one. 3x plus 2 squared equals 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. Your times this by 2 and stick an x on it no longer works, does it? So what's the extra twist here, Liam?
So it would be just square 3x.
Square the first one. 3x squared is 9x squared. Good.
Yeah, and then it's the same thing with, you square the 2.
Square the 2. That's the 4. So square the first one. Square the second one. How do we get the middle term?
You square the first one and you double the 2 and stick the x behind it.
No. But I love how you're thinking. That won't always work. Do you want to have another go, Chaz?
Times that 2 by 2 and then times it by 3x.
Yes. What I actually do to get my middle term in this case, I take the first one, 3x, I multiply it by the second one, which is 2. 3x times 2 is 6x, and then I times it by 2, because it's squared. So 3x times 2 is 12x. Let's make up another example. 6. All right, make a question up for me, Scarlett, that looks like that. Don't make the numbers too big or it's going to like test my timesing skills, but go. All right, good. So if I want to square this, I take the first one and I square it. 4x squared, 4x all squared is 16x squared. I take the second one, I square it. That's my one on the end. And then I'm going to go the first one times the second one. 4 times 6 is
24.
24 times by 2. It's 48. All right. If we can get these shortcuts, we can be more efficient. If you can't get these shortcuts, it's not the end of the world. You just have to do it the long way. We're practicing trying to get some shortcuts. Last shortcut. Couple of minutes, have a go at them, see if you can come up with the general rule.